Hello, I'm Stefano, your pricing power coach. Today we're discussing pricing model innovation canvas. Whether you're in technology, marketing, or business development, it is a good idea to use a business model canvas. Now we're offering here on the board two of them that are typically used by startups or innovation incubators or marketers. The first one is the business model generation canvas and the second one is the lean canvas. Both of them do have a block on pricing. They call it revenue models, which is different from pricing models. Both of them touch on recurring businesses, on the types of revenue models you can have, usage-based, subscription-based, but their technology really remains very high level. What we did with the pricing model innovation canvas is propose a separate methodology, a way of framing your pricing models. And for that, then you can experiment with new pricing models by asking yourself the right questions. So we're offering to you the pricing model innovation canvas with the 4 blocks and some outcome framing decisions. Let's look at a bigger version of it. Typically, as you know, when you make pricing decisions, you would look at the 3 C's of pricing: competition, cost, and customer value. Now, these 3 C's are in the canvas here on the board. What we did though is add one of the C's, which is fundamental in changing pricing models. It's changed because at the end of the day, moving from a ownership model to a subscription model to a consumption pricing model is going to change the way you do business in your organization, the way the sales force is selling, and what you're offering to your customers. So that C is very critical as well in making the right decisions in the pricing model, either changing your existing pricing model or developing a totally new pricing model. So for each of the C's, what we call the 4 C's of pricing, we will have a set of techniques, methodologies, and analysis that will be conducted by maybe a multifunctional team, and a series of outcomes that will be prepared and integrated into a framing package for your innovation, your startup, or your digital technology. The end result is that we are making framing decisions, and we offer 5 of those that are very critical in getting the right decisions and getting the right price for your offer. Number 1 is selecting the right pricing model, or models plural, making the right decisions. Are we going to do a net pricing? Are we going to do list price minus discount? How are we going to structure our pricing strategy? What kind of testing are we going to do at the end when we are ready to launch? What is the profit formula? How much margins are we going to generate? How much EBIT? And how does that look like, whether we do recurring models or we do an ownership model? And at the end, how do we execute with change these pricing plans? So this is a canvas that allows you to look at all these components integrated into a series of analysis and an outcome to support your launch plans. Find out more at stefaniozu.com. Thank you.